हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, संडे एकेडमी आपण मानक बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा तरुण गोयन और लुसेंट जनरल नॉलेज बही जो दुटा बही अच्छी तार मिक्स रे आम बही संपूर्ण सारांश देखा। अपन देखिए परीक्षा पूरा अविकल प्रश्न पढ़ा। आप अलरेडी देखी सारे एसओ अलरेडी सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन पड़ी। तेणु चलते स्टार्ट करवा। यहाँ सब आप ओपीएससी ओएसएससी ओ ट्रिपल एसएससी टीचिंग एसएससी रेलवे युवा आपंकर इंपोर्टेंट रहा। स्टार्ट करवा। The Sultan of Delhi was appointed as Amir I Tujuk, master of ceremonies before becoming the Sultan Alauddin Khilji. The incident of Juhar was first mentioned in Persian language by Amir Khusro. The dynasty ruled over Delhi during 1290 to 1320 Khalji. Jafar Khan was a famous general of Alauddin Khilji. Predecessors of Alauddin Khilji was Jalaluddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the slave general of Alauddin Khilji. The battle against Ramachandra of Devagiri led by Malik Kafur. The system of Dak and Huliyan and caste payment of soldiers introduced by Alauddin Khilji. During Alauddin Khilji region, the cloth market was known as the Sarai-i-Adil. Alauddin Khilji built his capital by the name of Siri, first Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate to start military expedition into southern India. Alauddin Khilji, the founder of Khilji dynasty in 1290 AD was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. Alai Darwaza was built by using the red sandstone. Under Alauddin Khilji, an officer oversaw a merchant registered to secure ample goods supply. Sanai Mandi. Types of taxes were in the region of Alauddin Khilji 3. Jizya, Khari, Chari. Alauddin Khilji attacked Chittor in 1303. Tower of Victory, which is Tamba in Chittorgarh, was erected by the Rana Kumbha after defeating Mahmud Khilji. Alai Minar near the Qutub Minar, an unfinished monument, was started by Alauddin Khilji. Tax on housing, cultivation and cattle was imposed by the state during the region of Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaza in Delhi in 1311 was built by Alauddin Khilji. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଏକାଡେମୀ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍। ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଠି ଯେଉଁ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼୍ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବେ। ଆପଣ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଆଉ PDF ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ OS ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଛି। ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 699। ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଗକୁ ଆସିଛି ଯେଉଁ ଆମର OPSC ESO ତାର ଯଦି ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରମ୍ପ୍ଟ ହେଇସାରିଲେଣି ESO ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ତାର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଖୁସି। ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 399। ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଜଣେ ବିଗିନର ଅଛନ୍ତି OPSC OSSC OTRIPL SSC SSC ରେଲୱେ ଏନି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 999। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଅଛି ଆମ ପାଖରେ, ତା ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 499। ସବୁ ଯାକ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍, କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ନାହିଁ। ସବୁ ଯାକ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଛି, ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଛି। ଓକେ। Alauddin Khilji ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1296 AD to 1316 AD. Malik Kafur was the commander of Alauddin Khilji, most important officer who supervises all the department in Delhi Sultanate. Diwan-i-Jarat. Jaharat Mahal, built by Sultan Ghiyasuddin Khilji, is located in Mandu, Madhya Pradesh. Hindu ruler when Alauddin Khilji attacked Ranthambore in 1301 was Hamiz Dev. The Persian chronicles described the Muslim Sultan as the shadow of God. Alauddin Khilji constructed a new garrison town for a soldier named Siri Fort. Alauddin Khilji raised Kharaj tax to 50%. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. Famous poem Hars Behizit was written by Amir Khusro. Amir Khajurao was a royal poet and disciple of Sufi Saint Nizamuddin Aliya, last dynasty to rule over Gujarat before it passed on to the hands of Alauddin Khilji Baghel dynasty. First Delhi Sultanate to start military campaigns in the South India, Alauddin Khilji. Delhi Sultanate, best known for its market regulation policy, Alauddin Khilji. Malwa, Madhya Pradesh was captured by Alauddin Khilji in 1305 AD. Alauddin Khilji, Madrasa and tomb are situated in New Delhi. Amir Khusro was popularly known as Parrot of India. Siri, the second city of Delhi, was built by Alauddin Khilji. Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320 was founded by Jalaluddin Firuz Khalji, the dynasty that came after the Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Chor Minar in the Hauj Khas area of Delhi was constructed by Alauddin Khilji. A series of regulations was formed to control the power of nobles by Alauddin Khilji. The classic poet of Sultanate period in India popularized Qawwali Amir Khusro. The Jahaj Mahal of Mandu was built by Ghiyasuddin Khilji. The Jamaat Khana Masjid was built by Khajir Khan, son of the Alauddin Khilji. The successor of Muhammad bin Tughlaq to the throne was Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta, a traveler hailed from Morocco. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq raised the banner of revolt against Nasruddin Khusrau. Ghiyasuddin Barani wrote his chronicle first version in 1356. Ibn Battuta was appointed as a Qazi of Delhi by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. ପିଲାମାନେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ଆପଣମାନେ ସ୍କାନ୍ କଲେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ମେଟେରିଆଲ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଭଏସ୍ ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିଛି, ଆପଣମାନେ ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଶା OPSC ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିଛି, ଆପଣମାନେ ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ। ଖୁସି ଏସ୍ ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିଛି, ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ OPSC OSSC OSSC SSC ରେଲୱେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି, ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 999, ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଅଛି, ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି 499। ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍। ଓକେ, ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜଣାଇବେ। ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦେବେ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍।